Good day, Divergence traders. How you doing right now? It is 10:53 a.m. in the east of North America. Yes, that's EST. And once again, this is Jason Sweezy, the Divergence trader, and hook up and hook down and higher close and lower close trader. Yes. Well, I had a good day, I had a bad day. Good day, bad day. Good day, bad day. Then the final one, good day. The final one was right here. This big spike down, and I just happened to be in it on the right side and got out right here from getting in up here somewhere. I don't know fucking where. So it was good. Ended good. All ended good today. But I kept giving it back a few times. Fuck, I hate that. Oh, shit. Anyway. Okay, so we're looking right now at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ. What the fuck is the NASDAQ? No, the NASDAQ. 2 minute time frame. See up here, 2 minute up at the top. You see where my mouse is pointing? I like to tell you what time frame I'm on, so you get it. Okay, there's no divergence to buy here. There's none. But look at this. Well, this is the opening candle right here with the big wick on it. I don't trade the open. You guys know that. I might wait 5 minutes or 7 or 10 minutes and get in and try something, but the actual spike for the first 5 to 10 minutes, depends what it looks like and what's going on, how badly it's moving, or how fast it's moving. That shit. That all comes into perspective. It's just not. Oh, I learned this new strategy, and I'm just gonna trade that when it's when the market's going the other way, and you're trying to trade some setup. So anyway, we have a high, a retracement, and a higher high. It's the perfect criteria for a fucking divergence setup, and then a nice big fucking candle smashing down, right here. It would have told you to sell, and boom, take the profit and come back up again. This is a hook down, right? So there was no fucking trade from up here. The first trade was actually right here. Higher close, close to the 5, sell it, and down it goes. Let's see. How much did it go down? So if, say we sold it right here, okay? And say we got out at R1. That's 75 ticks, ladies and gentlemen. That's what that is. Then we had the second setup right here, okay? Where you let it come back down. It's a hook down, okay? Because it's a buy fake, which turns into a hook down. They get people buying here so they can take it down, right down here. See how they took it down? It's just a little delayed. I had to wait all this time. So I did the trade, and I fucking came back up here and said, you fucker. And I got out. That was one of my losers. And then when it started coming back down again, well, I got back in and I took the profit here. Then what a coulda shoulda, you wascooey wabbit, you Bugs Bunny. Holy fuck. Okay. So it came back up and I said, you fucker. And I sold it, and it fucking ran down here. Somewhere I got out, I don't know. It's probably right here. I just think it was lower, but I think it was somewhere like right there. And I got out and I made good for the day, and I said, okay, that's it. I'm going to stop and I'm going to do my video now. And that's what happened, and here I am. So anyway, this was a higher close candle. Right here, this big blue bullish candle, and then the next candle, which is this one, on the open, you would have sold it. And you would have done well, like I just did, because I'd done the trade. Now, what do we have right here? Now, let's make it bigger so you can see it. It is a hook down right there. There's the buy fake, closed above the moving averages. The next one opened up, of course. If it's gonna close above them, the next candle's gonna open up above them unless it does a big fucking gap fucking jump, then it wouldn't, right? So anyway, you wait for them to knock this down to give you, you don't sell it up here, okay? On the higher close, sell it down it goes. Yes, you close it right, or you enter it right here immediately, okay? But the hook down, the buy fake, okay? You wait for it to come back and close down below the two moving averages. Then you get short and down it goes and you would have made a profit. Remember, all my hookups and hook downs and all my higher close, sell it down it goes, or a lower close, buy it up it goes, those are all scalping techniques, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I wanted to make that clear. Yeah, I knew it was going to go down there and sweep that low of earlier today. Yeah, I knew it. And I'm done. So anyway, you got to understand that. Oh, I need some water, sorry. So you got to realize that it's scalping. It's for scalping those trades. Sure, they can keep going in your favor and you can make fucking 100 points. Sure, sure. But they're for scalping, okay? See right here, higher close right here on the opening of this one. Right here, you would have sold it. Boom. Because it's a higher close. But if it closed up above the moving averages, you need confirmation. You need for the price to come back down and close below the moving averages like this hook down right here. Okay, ladies and gents? Okay. There's no fucking divergence, man. Can you believe that shit? Look. So close to divergence if it wouldn't have went up so high. And out there, they just took out the low. If you were long, they just got you if you had your stop underneath there. Yeah, see, that's not where to put your stop. Right here, right below here. If you were long all in here, and you suffered through some of the drawdown, and you thought it was going to continue higher, like right in here, and you put your stop right here, and you keep holding on and keep holding on and keep holding on and keep holding on, you're looking for trouble. You should have already took your profit up here and realized this big fucking engulfing candle right here. Okay? That told you longs are over. It's shorts now. We're looking to short now because the 5 is below the 7. See? Oh, she's really going. Look, look, look. It's reacting to these, these all-time highs. They're gonna get you. Because there's so many people out there, they're thinking and believing it's going higher, like soon. But not today. And not yesterday either. You seen yesterday's? I'm sure you did. See? It put in a new all-time high right here, I believe. Yeah, it did. And it came down, and it came down, and it came down, and it came down. Yeah. And then look what they did. See? They took it all the way back up to a new higher high. A new all-time higher high right up here. You got to stretch out your charts sometimes. You got to analyze it. You got to see what the fuck are they doing. Because they're usually doing the big move. We do the little moves in between. Okay? Okay. I blabbered on enough. Let me get this back if I ever can. What the fuck here? Sorry about that. I had to bring the charts back. Okay. Man, I wish I would have done this fucking trade, eh? Woo, woo, woo. Look at how beautiful that is. If you remember a few days ago, like back in midweek last week, I was showing you how go look at the daily, go look at the the weekly. Holy fuck, I'm saying some funny words today. I didn't drink anything honest. I haven't had a drink of beer or liquor in years. It's been at least 2.5 years. Anyway, so I told you if you go look at it, and I said how they bring the price down at first, chop you up, and then they take it to a higher new all-time high. And they do that, but sometimes they'll do the opposite. So you got to be in, you got to know when you can sell and when you can buy. And this fucking little, excuse me, this little white line told us right here. Don't look for buys anymore. And if you're long, get the fuck out. Whether you're winning or losing, get the fuck out. That's what these lines guide you. I've been telling you guys that. And I know it's hard to believe. I'm not saying that to you like a smartass, but I know they're silly. I know they're stupid, but they are what they are, and they can guide you. They can guide you here. And like right in here, here's a hookup, okay? What am I looking for? Right here. See, here's a hookup right here. When it rallied back up, you would have bought right in here. Okay, then it did another one almost right beside it. See, right here? No, it's right here. See, there's the close below the moving averages. And once it got back up here, you would have bought it. And look, it took you right up here. And then we have what? Right here. I didn't cover the long side, did I? Right here. Okay. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. So there's your buy trades right here. There's no divergence. If there was divergence, you would see one of these. I didn't put one of those on because there's no divergence. Okay? I know I'm stretching out the time here, but I just wanted to make clear to you a little bit more, explain to you about the hook downs, the hookups, the higher close, sell it. Here's another hook down. Here's another higher close, sell it. And all these trades worked, ladies and gentlemen. All of them. Every setup, if you know how to read the setups. Like I said before, I'm actually thinking of adding this to my course and fully explaining my scalp trade setups. And that's what these are. And they all worked. All of them worked. La-di-da, la-di-da. Okay, do we go look? Yeah, let's go look at that. At the mess. Here's the mess. Okay, look at the mess. And no fucking divergence here either, see? Low retracement, lower low. See, this side needs to be lower than this side, and it's not. And it came up, but look what we have here, right here. I'm just going to put it at the bottom here. The entry right here, when it rallied back up, and it worked out. There's a perfect scalp trade. Lower close, buy it. Here's another one. Lower close, buy it, and up it goes. And there's one more up here. I don't know if I would have taken it, but it would have worked for you. And you would have had to get out of there quick, out of Dodge, okay? But see, it has the same kind of setups. Here's the hook up, or down, the hook down. Here's the hook down right here. Closed up above the 2 moving averages, sell it, down it goes. Here's another one, right here. Higher close, sell it, ram down it goes, okay? And then it got a little tricky here. Well, actually, no. These two candles did not count because they did not close up near the 5. Higher close, right? Didn't do that. So the next setup was right here, the hook down. Do you see it? Do you see it, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, is it here? That's a hook down. And so is this one. 2 hook downs. You would have sold it right here, went down a little bit. And here's another one. You would have sold it here, and it went down here. Then there's a third one. Look. Fucker, 5th one. See, right here? Closed above this blue candle. Bullish candle. Closed above the 5 and the 7. And then you would have waited for price to come back down to here. And on the opening of this candle, you would have sold it. And bang, you would have made money. See it? I know you see it. Look at all those beautiful setups. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get on with this video. Let's go to MetaTrader 4 now. Okay. Oh, that must be the fucking... Oh, that's gold. Okay. There's MetaTrader 4. Wow. We're looking at gold right now. We'll get to it. Here's the Nasr. There's no divergence here either. Fuck, I hear this noise. Are they trying to get in my apartment? They're probably fixing some toilet or something. Okay. There's no buy trade here. This is the 5-minute NASDAQ. We did have one lower close right where it needed to be and buy it, and up it goes. So there was your one buy trade. And now the sell trades are here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Here's another higher close. Yeah, they're fixing someone's plumbing or something. Okay, see, higher close right at the 5. See the 5? The white line's the 5, and you would have sold it, and boom, boom, boom. How much did that go down on the 5-minute Mode Z? 51 points, man, on that trade. 51 points. It's about to be another one right here if it closes up here, but there's I think that candle just opened. I don't have my thing on there. Ah, fuck it. Anyway, I don't know if I would try and sell it here. You know what I mean? Because they already swept the fucking lows right here. Yeah. And it's not divergent in a little while from now to go up because this one's bigger and deeper than this one. It needs to be the opposite of that. Okay, that's it for that. Let's look at, that was the NASDAQ. This is the S&P. Oh, yeah. We did have a trade on the S&P. It's right here. This is the 5-minute time frame. See right here. And right there. See, one's going up, one's going down. You would have bought a dip right in here. And up it goes. And that's it. There is no divergence from up here, a high and a higher high, because this needs, on this side of the mountains of the OSMA, needs to be less than this side. It's not, it's more. So there's no sell trade in here. However, along the way down this little journey, okay, we had a higher close, sell it, down it goes, and here's another one right beside it. Right there. Another higher close, sell it, and down it goes to here. And now it's probably changed direction and going back up. Let's see, what did Dow do today? Oh, Dow's a little wicky and slick and sticky. Wicky sticky Dow. But guess what? No, guess not. And look, I quickly looked and I didn't look close enough. No. Well, we could tweak it. Let's tweak it. Okay, we got a double bottom. And we got There. We tweaked it a little bit. It's a little tweakage, and you would have bought right in here. See, once you get to this part, say you bought it right here on the opening of this candle right here, okay? Once it clears through all the fucking the crowd and the traffic and all the bullshit of fucking people in here, you can see this happens nearly every day. Once it goes out of there, there'll be one candle like this one right here. Actually, this one, this big one. It will tell you it closed way up above the 2 moving averages. You know, it's bullish. It's like you have a formation here, a double bottom, even though it's not perfect, and I tweaked it a little bit. But it tells you, it sticks out right at you, because you see how these candles are not in like all cluttered together like over here? See, they're free spirits. They're free. They're free, man. They're going to drive right up the fucking mountain. And that's exactly what it did. You see what I'm saying? This happens over and over and over again. You'll come into a consolidation like this, and if you try and buy and sell in there, you'll get fucking creamed. You'll get creamed and powdered sugar poured on your head. But if you wait and then you see more and more and more fucking traffic and more fucking crap right in here, right? You go, okay, don't fucking do nothing in there. Whatever you do, don't sell in there. All these wicks are telling you, hey, we're probably going to shoot up like a shooting star soon. See all these? Here's another wick here. See? All these wicks? See them all? Yeah. And then you have this nice bullish blue candle breaking away from this fucking mess right here. And sure enough, it broke away from it. It went up and made you money. Okay, this is the pound dollar now. Oh, it's looking kind of stupid. You stupid fuck. The king. The fucking king. Look at this fucking fake out. Counter trend trade, higher highs. See, it's a trade. So you would have got in somewhere below these wicks, somewhere like right here. What was the stop on this one? 10 pips. Did it give you 10 pips? No, it didn't. And it raced up the other way. Not good. Euro, same shit probably, or even worse. Well, if you wanted to buy it up here, you know, it only went up 4 pips, man. What a fucking joke. I'm not even putting a dot on that chart. Fuck it. Fuck it. It's just fucked. Oh, look what we have here, though. This is pound yen. Look at this. Ding, ding. Oh, look at that bull move up, eh? Not in the UK session, really. In the US. New York City session, baby. And we have divergence here like that, see? It's pointing up. This one's pointing down, but because this one's pointing up on the OSMA, it means it's going to go up. It's going to go all the way up. And it did. Lower close, buy it. Up it goes. And there's another one here, but I wouldn't take it up there. I would even be hesitant to take this one. You really want to be buying from down here. No, not at the bottom, but somewhere near the bottom. You want to get in on that trade. You don't want to sell down there. You're going to be in trouble. Euro yen. Oh, a little choppy. Oh, that's a 15. Okay. Oh, even more chop. Yeah, we had divergence on here too. Right here. To right there. Tired, man. Always tired. Okay. We put an arrow on this sucker. It's pushing higher. What is this? Oh, yeah, Euro yen. Okay. Went up 20-something pips there. Let's move on now to oil. Oh, look at oil go. Go, baby. Go up. We all know who's pushing this thing up. Because they want to make more money on the oil. Yeah. You betcha, Skippy. But look at this. It's standing out right at us like a thumb in an apple pie. We have lower lows right there. Very easy to see that. I know I'm showing this all to you in hindsight, but if you were there at that time, if you were on this chart on oil and you were right here, you would know. You would see it so easily. The lower lows. Remember I told you about the lower lows, the higher highs, the double tops, the double bottoms. I told you about that. They work. And then when you find the divergence and you put your stop on, you're putting it in the right place at the swing low to do a buy or at the swing high to do a sell. And it works almost every fucking time. It's like, I don't know, I think they have a oh shit. I think they have a couple kinks in their algo. And they need to make some adjustments if they want to get us. But I don't think so. It's been doing this for fucking I look back as far as what year was that? It was 2007. 2008 I started looking for it. 2007. I didn't find it till fucking 2009 or something. It took me years. I'm a slow learner. But once I learn it, watch out. Right? But anyway, yeah, it was my friend from the Bahamas who told me about it in 2007. He said, you got to learn how to trade this divergence. Once you do, you got it. But anyway, it's so easy to see the setup right here. If you were here in real time, right here, you would have bought it here and up it goes and you would have made money. That's it. Here's another one, okay? Low and lower low. See, it's pointing up on the OSMA, meaning it's going to go up. Right there, see? Right here, lower lows. It rallies up and closes up here. You got to buy it. You know it's going to go. Okay, that's gold. Or oil, I mean. Here's the gold. Look at this fucking shit. What do you see here? I automatically see hidden divergence. I first looked for the easy to see divergence and didn't see it. It's right here, ladies and gentlemen. It's right here. I'll just draw it from the body of the candle. I'll draw it from this one. Right down to there. And there's the buy. And it went up 70 points, ladies and gentlemen. This is gold. And that's about the only trade I see. Okay, there's no higher close selling it down here because that's at the bottom of the move. You needed to sell it up here somewhere. But there's no divergence. Oh, maybe there is. Hold on. Hold on. We'll tweak it and find it. Hold on. Where am I drawing that from? There's the divergence. I found it. I found it. See? Sometimes it hides on you. It plays little tricks. It hides around corners and shit. See? You would have sold it right here. Boom. Went down 68 ticks. All right. That's cool. Okay. So let's move on now to the cryptos. And then we're almost done. Bitcoin. Oh, it's hanging on there. Hanging on the edge of the cliff right here. This is a cliff to go down. I hope it doesn't go down. I want it to go up. And then XRP. Oh, we're still hanging around the same spot. 43 cents. I tell you one thing. If it does what it's supposed to do, everybody, not me, everybody, nearly everybody in the world is going to be shocked to see what it does. That's only if it does what it's supposed to do. It could be a stubborn bitch and do nothing and just stay where it is right now. So we got to wait and see. Silver, yeah, it's hanging up. It's hanging up there. What about Ethereum? Oh, Ethereum bounced back up. Look at that. right exactly to the tick or the pip or the point or whatever you call them in crypto. I don't know. I don't trade on the charts on crypto. I just buy coins, man. No margin call. No margin call. That's why I'm okay. Everything's okay. And it's went against me big time. Big time. And I just look at it and laugh. And it's been doing this for fucking 7 years. I've been watching it for 7 fucking years. And XRP, I'm talking about this here. And some guy named Gary keeps fucking doing something and stopping it. So let's wait and see what happens. Let's wait and see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today. I want to thank you for coming and watching and listening. I really appreciate it. And come on back tomorrow. But before you do, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. I'd really, really appreciate it, okay? Thank you and have yourself a great day. Good luck and good trading.